When we lock the car key is accidentally locked in the car. The car door cannot be opened at this time. What would you do in this situation? Some people say, I'll pick up a brick from the roadside and smash the glass. I'll smash the smallest glass. Wrong. Very wrong. The smaller the glass, the more expensive it is. Others say, I'll find a wrench and pry the car lock along the gap of the car door. Wrong. Very wrong. The car paint is scratched. It will cost $3,000 to repair. Today I'm going to teach you a little trick. You can get the car key out of the car without spending a penny. We just need to find some tape to solve this problem. Watch me demonstrate. Now the tape is attached. Next, I will pull it down hard to see if the glass can be pulled down. However, friends who watch my video, please give me a like and a follow. God will definitely protect you in the future. If you give me a like and a follow, if you have any problems with your car in the future, come to me at any time. I can solve them for you. 3, 2, 1, start. The glass has been lowered. Our keys can also be easily taken out. How is it? Have you learned it? Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.